Hello everybody, welcome back. My name is Sandra and look what came in the mail today. My Jane's Agenda July subscription box. So excited. And this time they did not put the sticker on the top, so I was able to show what it looks like. It comes in this cute box. You think that the box should be a lot bigger for the amount of items it holds, but it's actually quite tiny, which is good for shipping costs. Anyway, it's got this beautiful flower on the front. And this is what it looks like when you open up the box. I love these colors, you guys. I was wishing and hoping that this box would come in before I set up my July binder, but I might add some tidbits from this box to my binder anyway, just because I'm so in love already. And it's so funny because my Coastal Escape came in yesterday. I filmed that video today as well. So we're filming both these products today. I love this. This is going in my binder. All right, guys, let's crack her open. Ooh, so excited. Okay, so first thing I see when I open it is the glass case. This is actually a lot bigger than I thought it would be. I don't normally use anything like this because I've got my purse. This is the sunglass holder. And honestly, I don't know. Like, I don't know how I feel about this. It's kind of meant to be a clutch as well, so you can put your sunglasses in here. It's got a pocket at the back, a zipper pocket there, and then some card slots, and then another pocket on this side. So I mean, if you wanted to use it as a clutch, it's actually a navy blue. I thought it was black, but it's navy blue. It does have a magnetic clasp, so that's nice because I would find it hard to press closed. It's like a little clutch. So I mean, if you don't mind holding your like purse or whatever, or if you have a big enough bag, like I know a lot of us do, you could always just like put it in your purse and then use it as a clutch if you ever had to like, for instance, like stash some money in here and then like run into like, I don't know, grocery store or like the gas station or something. So there's that. That's kind of cute. I'm gonna see how we can put this to use. So I'm just gonna pull up the rest of the products here. We'll get rid of this box because I know my daughter wanted to have my Jane's Agenda box. Okay, so I'm gonna open up all of the plastic on these. All right, guys, we've opened everything. So we're gonna go through all of these dashboards, the inserts, all of the goodies. So first thing I want to point out is that you get this tour card. It tells you a bit about the exclusive product. So this is the sunglass clutch, and then it gives you all of the items in the box, okay? So it tells you exactly what they are, description of them, how much they're worth, and then so the first thing I kind of jumped to are these translucent circle sticky notes. So the color is Santorini Sea, light blue, Greek blue, and navy, and you get 25 sheets of each. Those are really cute. Yeah, and in order to write on these, you do need like an oil-based marker, so like Pigma Micron, a Sharpie marker, or a Pigma Micron, something to that nature. You have two of these tiny little cards here. So this is Metanoia, Greek noun, the journey of changing one's mind, heart, self, or way of life, spiritual conversion. Wherever you are, be all there by Jim Elliott. You can put these in that plastic folder that came last time. You also have a highlighter. So this is the blue. For those of you who don't know what this color is or what it looks like, it's just a really light pastel blue. So it actually goes really well with this color. And ironically, actually it is kind of funny. So I'm looking at these. Look at this. Now, is this like a different color? Because I have the pastel blue in my bag. So where did this color come from? And do I have it? Maybe this is a different color. Let's see. This is the color that I have. So where did this color come from, I wonder? I'm gonna have to look on Amazon and see if they have new colors, because I thought I had all of the colors, but this is not the same color, and it also is not gray either. Let me look at my collection here. Hold on. Okay, I'm just gonna look on the tour card for a second because, yeah, it says mild soda blue. I wonder where they got this one from, because I do not have it in my collection. It is a new one, but I looked on Amazon Canada and I couldn't find it. It matches my planner perfectly, you guys. I am so ecstatic. Like, look, it looks so pretty. I knew this sub box would match my planner. Okay, so now moving on. Who knew you could get so excited about one single highlighter? So it also came with these baby paper clips. These are adorable, but I almost feel like if you're using small paper clips like this, that they would like fall out. It would be easy for them to like escape. So I don't know. We'll see. They are cute though. I mean, they are pretty tiny, especially compared to the big jumbo paper clips I'm used to using now. You also get this page finder, like a little bookmark. So I'll probably punch that for my current setup for my blue binder. And then we get into some dashboards. So this is, of course, I get the half letter unpunched because I use them in my Franklin Covey, and then I can always cut mine down to fit my compact Franklin binder, which is personal or I use some personal wide dashboards in mine, but my inserts are personal. So this is a silver. It says be your own light, and it is a laminated translucent dashboard, I guess. So that's really nice. Now this has, this is just a cardboard, and that came with the inserts. So let's finish looking at the dashboards. So for myself, I'm technically like a huge dashboard fan. So if I ever get dashboards in any sub box, I'm eternally grateful. And in these sub boxes, it's amazing because you get so many. So because I love dashboards so much, I say that the Jane's Agenda box is worth it, because even though it is a lot of money, by the time it comes to Canada, it's like $150 Canadian for me, but it is worth it because you get so many dashboards, you guys. Like, so this says Wander, Explore, Dream, and Discover, and you get 2 of them. So this is the right way here, and I'll probably, I don't know if I'll be able to cut this down for my compact, because I will cut some of the word off. Well, the W is already kind of cut off, but I don't really want to. I mean, I could trim it down and cut off the R a little bit. So you could still be able to see what it is, but yeah. And I love this. Like, these are so pretty. And this is double-sided. I like that side better though. This is also, okay, so 2 of the same dashboards and the same on the other side. So this one I could cut down if I wanted to have a color like that. And I could see that this would go so well with so many different binders. I think it would look good in like gray binders. It would look good in a black one. If you were to put, depending what you were to put on top of it, I think it would look good in a variety of different ways, different settings. It would look good in like a tan binder. That would look really nice too. Okay, so this is the one that we've all seen in the subscription box, like that Mediterranean blue. That reminds me of something in Greece or Italy or somewhere. And then you have this one with the rocks, again, very Mediterranean-ish. And then the ocean waves. So as you can see, you guys, like this totally goes. I'm going to link my Coastal Escape video once I have that posted up and running, because this just goes, right? It just goes, all of it. The Coastal Escape, the Mediterranean blue, doesn't even faze me that it's not, it doesn't look like the same type of like place where it's from. Like this looks like the Mediterranean to me. Hold on, baby. And this looks like, you know, the east coast of the state somewhere. That's what that looks like. Okay, so then you get the inserts. This is the last product. These are the hybrid inserts. There's 2 portions to this. So this is the front. So you have goals, priorities, gratitude, affirmation, appointments, bills, habits, meals, and then a blank like to-do checklist. So this is like, I think what I would use this for is like an overview of my week. And in my Franklin inserts right now, I currently don't have something like that. Like I have my monthly overview, like my goal checklist page, but I don't really have something like this. Like I do in my Agendio inserts, but not in my Franklin. I just have my, like I guess I have my weekly like my weekly tasks, and then I've got my weekly master task. But I like this as like an overview for the week. And then you basically fold it in half. And so whatever, any information here that you don't want shown, you fold it in half and then it's hidden. And then on this side, you can do notes here, which I actually also really like. And this, you can do like an overview. So if you have, like what I was thinking, I'm still kind of playing with the idea of doing like a bullet journal for my business stuff. I haven't quite decided whether that's something I'm going to do, but because my business section in my planner and my main, like my home, like catch-all section of my planner, they're separated. I could put this at the start of my regular, like my catch-all section, and then I could put videos posting or blogs or work that needs to be done on this side, and then notes here for that, and then this side would just be all of the home stuff. See, I really like that. That's actually a really good idea. So I'm really happy that these inserts were included, and there's quite a few. Let's see if it tells how many are in there. Yeah, it says secure with a paper clip, so you could secure it with a tiny paper clip. Let's see, does it say? Dashboard, set of 3, July themed box, translucent dashboard, sticky notes, quote cards, translucent planner cover. So yeah, it doesn't tell you how many are there. I'd have to count them. I'm assuming is it 25? Usually they give you 20 or 25 or something like that. So anyway, and like each one is like 1 week, so it'll give you one. Let's count them. I'm counting 13. Am I messed up here? And so it gives you enough for 13 weeks, which is not bad, right? So it's like quarter of the year. 26, 52 is 52 weeks is a whole year. 26 is half a year, and 13 is a quarter. So it gives you enough for 3 months. That's kind of nice. So yeah, so I'm definitely going to use these. And again, you don't have to use them every month either. But for instance, like if come Christmas month or something and you're really, really busy, especially for content creators, creating content gets crazy at Christmas time. Especially if you have some kind of Etsy shop, people are looking for gifts and your shop just gets busier, especially also if you're an affiliate member of some sort. Things just get busy around that time, especially when people are setting up their planners for January and even creating content. Like I find that more people are staying indoors watching YouTube and stuff, so it does get busy. So you could do this, at Christmas time and write down all of the things. And also this is a really good thing for me. Like I wish I could do like a weekly habit thing. That would be way easier for me. If I had like a sticker like this, that's what I need to do. I need to make some. Ooh, what a good idea. Maybe I will do that. I am working on habit tracker stickers, but I need to do some like very blank ones like this, because I think that would be much easier, and everybody could use them, and you could just simply write in your name and stuff. So anyway, so that is it for this subscription box. So I'm so glad it finally came. I was so excited for this one. So I'm going to add some of these pieces to my planner, and you guys will see that in my weekly update planner, plan with me's, and all of those cool things. So let me know, have you guys subscribed to this box, or are you interested in it? I think, again, it's worth it. Definitely for the dashboards, because you'd get so many from Jane's Agenda. Cloth and paper, that was partially why I quit, because a lot of the inserts I found were just like weekly inserts, and I wasn't using those. And you didn't get that many dashboards. Sometimes you'd get none, sometimes you'd only get 1 or 2. So I think this is so much more worth it for the money that you spent. So anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new, please consider subscribing. Click on the bell button to receive notifications when I post new content to YouTube, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.